Um, do you have two-seater mountain bike?
Pardon?
Do you have a mountain bike?
Still didn't understand you.
Do you have mountain bike?
Mountain?
Mountain bike.
Oh, mountain bikes. We do have a selection of mountain bikes. Is there any particular mountain bike that you're looking for?
Do you have two-seater mountain bike?
Two-seater?
Two-seater.
No, we don't sell any two-seaters.
And why is that?
Well, most of the bikes that we get in, they have like the one seat. If you had internet access, you might be able to order one from Walmart.com, like a two-seater.
Okay.
I don't know if we actually sell them, but it's worth a try.
Well, me and my wife.
Go.
Surf the internet, even update your Facebook status right from the palm of your hand. At Sprint, we want everyone to experience all of the incredible things a 3G phone can do on the big 3G network.
That looks like a yummy Hot Pocket to me. What kind is it? Whoa.